Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you and tell you how to use a laundry soap bar properly. This will be a full tutorial, so let's get right into this instructional video. Once again, the topic of this video will be showing you and telling you specifically how to use a laundry soap bar properly, and this will be a full tutorial, so let's get into this. So once again, a full tutorial showing you and telling you how to use a laundry soap bar properly. Let's get into this video. What I have here is a piece of a laundry soap bar. You know, sorry, I don't actually have a brand new one. This is like all that I have remaining. I got another little piece over there over to the side, but it's still a laundry soap bar, so I'll show you how to use it, okay? So if you want to wash your clothes without using a washing machine, or if you have a severe stain and you want to wash your clothes, using a laundry soap bar is one of the best things that you can do. It's very old school, but it works wonders, okay? So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put some water on the article of clothing that I'm going to wash, which is just this sock over here. Now, just for full disclosure, this sock is literally brand new, like in terms of, not brand new, but it's just been washed and dried. So, you know, it's not dirty, but I'm just using it for this video, okay? So you're gonna wet the article of clothing and then you're gonna wring it out, not severely, but you just want it to be damp, okay? Then what you're gonna do is wet the laundry soap bar. So I'm just gonna put some water on here, on the laundry soap bar on my hands. And my hand right here. And then what you're going to do is take your laundry soap bar and you're going to just start scrubbing it a little bit against the article of clothing. Now, see, it just broke apart. Not a big deal. Anyways, you don't want to put a ton of soap on there because all the soap that you put on there, you have to rinse off. So don't forget that. So I'm just going to take it and I'm putting it on the article of clothing, which is the sock. You can see the whitening over here. That tells you, look, you can see the coloration that tells you that the laundry soap is on there. So you want to get laundry soap on the entire article of clothing, just like this. I'm using my hand to rub the soap around, okay? Once you've done your best to get the soap on the actual article of clothing, what I like to do at that point is I'm just going to place the laundry soap on the ledge here, okay? And what I like to do is get it a little bit wet again, okay? Just as you can see right here, wring it out, and then scrub it. So you're going to scrub it, okay? And you're going to scrub the article of clothing until it is clean, it looks clean, it smells clean, you know, feels clean, whatever the case is, until you're satisfied with how clean it is, okay? You're going to have to do a lot more scrubbing than that, but that's just how to do it basically very quickly for this video. And then what you're going to do is you're going to rinse it off, okay, by filling it with water, wringing it out. Filling it with water, wringing it out. You're going to do this over and over again until all of the soap has been removed, okay? And whoop, water's getting a little bit hot there because I only turned on the hot. I should have turned on both hot and cold. But once you've removed all of the laundry soap from the article of clothing, what you want to do is wring it out like this, okay? And wring it out as much as you can and then hang it to dry, okay? And that's the process for using a laundry soap bar to essentially clean an article of clothing. Obviously, you're gonna use a lot more, you're gonna get, use a lot more laundry soap in terms of the bar, what you've used from it. If you're doing a bigger article of clothing, what you can also do is fill up a tub with water and use the laundry soap bar to create suds in that tub, and then that whole tub becomes a laundry soap bar mixture, and you can wash your stuff in there too. That's another method. But yeah, that's the quickest and easiest way to use a laundry soap bar. And that's basically, if you like this video tutorial, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.